An element X belongs to third period and group 16 of modern periodic table. This is the statement, and what are the question asked? Determine the number of valence electrons and its valency. So we write the valence, how many valence electron and its valency, and write the molecular formula of the compound X react with hydrogen. So if X react with hydrogen means write the molecular formula. First, what the information? It belongs to the period 3. So period 3 means it contains 3 shells. And group number 16. Group number 16 means it has a valence electron 6. So first we convert into the electronic configuration. First shell K, second shell L, third shell M. Okay. So period 3 means it has 3 shells. And group 16 means it has a valence electron 6. So in the last shell it has a valence electron 6. And the first 2 shells must be completed. So 2, 8. What is the electronic configuration? 2, 8, 6. Okay. Question asked, determine the number of valence electron and its valency. So group number 16 means it has a valence electron 6. Okay. 6 means it belongs to 16th group. What is the valency of 16th group? The valency of 16th group is 2. Okay. So the element has the valency 2. Write the molecular formula of the compound X react with hydrogen. Hydrogen. We know that hydrogen, what is the valency of hydrogen? Hydrogen has atomic number 1. So it belongs to group 1. Group 1 means the valency is also 1. So hydrogen valency 1. An element X valency 2. Cross multiply. What we get? X1 H2. So we do not mention that 1. So X H2. If element X react with hydrogen means it form X H2. Okay. And name the element X. So how we know the name of an element? First we know the atomic number. Number of electrons equal to its atomic number. So how many electrons? 2 plus 8 plus 6 equal to 16. Okay. So which element has atomic number 16? This element belongs to period 3. So we know that period 3. How we remember elements present in the period 3? Naughty Maggie always sings perfect song climbing around. That means sodium, magnesium, aluminium, silicon, phosphorus, sulfur, chlorine, argon. So Na. So first 2 shell completed. Next its new electron entered to the third cell. So electronic configuration, number of atomic number 11, magnesium 12, aluminium 13, silicon 14, phosphorus 15 and sulfur 16. So sulfur. Name the element. What is the X? X is a sulfur. Whether it is metallic or non-metallic. Here we see the atomic electronic configuration. It has 6 electrons in their outermost shell. How it attain a octet electronic configuration? To receiving 2 electrons from some other atoms. Okay. So it is a electron gainer. That means electronegative nature. So which is metal or non-metal, which has a electronegative nature? Non-metal. So this sulfur is non-metallic.